Hello everybody, welcome back to Hordruser Info channel. In today's video I'll show you how to easily change the operating angle on your Logitech Pro steering wheel. So first we need to download the Logitech G Hub. Now here we will have our steering wheel. Now let's click on it, and here we have the operating angle. So as you guys can see, whenever I turn, then it also turns here. Let's go full 460, and as you guys can see, we can change the operating angle to, let's say, a 90, and now it's locked. So for example, 410 looks like this, or 1080 looks like this. So that's basically how you guys can change the operating angle. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then leave a like, sub, any comment, and I'll see you in the next one.